how to make a paper sword. You need 3 papers, so first you do this. Okay, so, and then bend here, and then put glue. This is gonna be the top for the sword. And then get the scissors, and then you know it's gonna be a sword, so you're gonna need to cut here. Cut like anywhere that can like make a sharp place or something. Okay, and then you open here. You should get this, and then we're gonna make the handle. Same thing, but with the longer one, not this one. With the taller one, I mean. Well, it's gonna be the same size, so you can do either way. And then you put the sword right here inside, and then wait. You fold this. Fold this. Make sure the top can't fit in here. Nope, it can't. And then put the handle inside, but glue it so that it doesn't come out easily when you open the cap for it. So put it in if you can. Wait. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, put like glue here. And then here. I'm gonna just glue this up again. Then you should get something like this. So for the cap, like, do this. Put it on the paper and then do this. Make sure it fits so that it's perfect. I'm gonna be showing you how to make the Sasuke sword, like, pretty much tomorrow or something, so yeah. I don't know when, but I might make it today or tomorrow. Once you get to the, like the end, if you're not sure if it's good or not, then if the cap is good or not, then just pull it. And then keep pulling. And then glue here. And then here. This is the cap. And then cut right here. Go like somewhere where your sword like isn't there. Cut somewhere where your sword. Cut somewhere where your sword is. Cut somewhere that your sword isn't. I don't know how to say it, but then cut it like this, and then glue here. And then glue there, and then that's how you make a sword. It might go there if it's not good. If like it's okay here, and then yeah. Bye guys.